Swim? Swim or swing?
Swim.
Get it.
Oh, none of them are connected. Let's keep that.
There.
You mean to do it?
Might do it.
Should Dad swim? Alright, Bradley. I think I'm gonna do it. Yep. Think I'm getting in. This could be intense. Water seems real warm. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. I'm in the pool. Splashing me? What is this? Oh, you're smart. You turn from your splashes. Dun 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 dun. Dun, 82 degrees. Set, go. Pretty good first day in the pool. First time I'm getting in. This is the second time Bradley got in. The water is 20 degrees warmer than the outside temperature, so it is nice. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. Ready, set, good job. We did it. We did it. Huh? 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 Go. Time to go inside. Well, that was a nice swim. That was my first of the year. Braylee's been in there a few times. Once with her friends, once by herself, and now I got to do some swimming too today, and it was a good time, right? Now it's down to business. Now we get down to business. Let's get down to business. I wasn't going to talk about this today, but I decided, you know what, I'm going to, because as I've been searching these things up, it's actually not, like, I didn't know about this. I didn't know that there's two types of fire alarms. In fact, when I was looking at it, there was this article from like the fire something something of the United States something something or something. And it said that it's actually not commonly known that there's two types of fire alarms. One of them is photoelectric technology, and the other one is ionization smoke detector. This might be the reason why Bray's alarm did not go off when her fan started burning up. I tested her fire alarm. It works fine, but it should have went off. Like, there was smoke in her room. It should have went off. It did not. So, you know me, I have to research, and I am going to find the best way to make sure her room is probably going to be the most alarmed room in the house. So I got a fire alarm, but I realized I didn't get the one that I wanted to get. However, this fire alarm that I did get is a photoelectric alarm, which will alarm to more like slow burning fires or like smoldering fires when there's no flames, there's just a bunch of smoke and stuff. Not even a whole bunch of smoke, just smoke. That might be the reason why it didn't go off. I don't know why her alarm didn't go off. But I'm going to make sure that I actually get the one I want to get here instead. This one. The battery-powered dual sensor photoelectric and ionization smoke alarm. So there won't be a time where an alarm won't go off when Braylee is like sleeping in there, you know? I don't know. Maybe everybody knew this, and I'm the only one out there that did not know that there was two types of fire alarms. Depending on the type of fire, one of them might not alarm right away. I did not know that. Braylee should have alarmed when that her room was smoky. Like it was bad. It was very bad. So I want to make sure that, you know, especially now that we're getting into summertime, hotter air. Braylee doesn't do good with hot air in her room during summer, and air movement helps a lot. The fan helps a lot, and so we are putting in
She's bringing Pam
a
up for something.
fan. She's bringing Pam upstairs. Did anybody here know that there's two types of fire? I'm not talking about carbon monoxide. I'm talking about two separate types of fire. Did you know that existed? Did you know that existed, Pam?
What?
Two types of fire alarms?
No.
I did do internet searching. Know what they told me? Know what the internet told me? Well, the fire people, something or other, something website from the United States Fire Safety something.
What?
They told me it's best to have both types of fire alarms in your house. I've never seen a house with two separate fire
I'll
alarms.
bet most people haven't.
Yeah. They're,
People just go out and buy a smoke detector.
Right.
yeah.
You just assume they're all.
So who knows? Maybe this will help someone out there. Be like, hey, I did not know there's two.
Everybody's like, we already knew this, David. Be like, I don't know where we've been.
But I found that there are fire alarms that specifically say both. They cover both those things, and next time we're out, I'm getting them, especially for bedrooms. So that's the alarm we have. I wanted to see if it says what type of alarm it is on here. Alright, let's see here. What kind of alarm is this? Look at that. Right there. I figured out why it did not go off.
Batteries dead?
No. It says it right there.
What?
Ionization smoke alarm. Ionization smoke alarms will not go off in a smoldering type fire, which is why Braylee's alarm did not go off. We know that we have it. We have her camera in here. There was smoke in here for about 4 hours, and it never went off. It was bad enough to where the ceiling is yellowed from the smoke. That's how bad it was. And on top of that, it smells. It's electric. It's electrical fire, so it smelled really bad, really bad. it just makes me so frustrated because, you know, I'm gonna go through worst case scenario in my mind. This is Braylee's room. She sleeps in here, and this thing was on fire, smoking up the room, and the fire alarm didn't even go off. Know better, do better, and hopefully, who knows, maybe someone out there that's watching this didn't know that, and maybe you're like, oh, I wonder what kind of fire alarm I have. But anyways, whew, time to put in a new fan. And I have to say that I read this trick also online to help with like a smoke smell in a room. Put a bowl of vinegar out in the room. This bowl of vinegar's been sitting here all day, and guess what? I think the smoke smell is gone. I just smell straight up vinegar. Yum. Yum, yum. Alright, I gotta put up this fan so we can get the, and then get the breaker turned out. Like, this whole half the house is in the dark because the breaker's been off ever since we noticed that. I don't know about you, but I wish these are things that I knew a long time ago, and now I have to go through the whole house and replace whatever alarms we have with dual alarms that just do both. Yeah, I want to just get the alarms that do both, and I'm just going to put them in all the rooms because safety first. Safety first. We don't need any of this happening. Some electrical fire we don't notice because we have only ionization alarms in our house. Not a good. Fancy. Different brand this time. Last time was Hampton Bay. This time it's Hunter. That is where it's going. Oh yeah. For those of you wondering, yes, I have done this before. I've put in fans before. This is not my first fan rodeo. Done this many times actually. Believe it or not, David has a construction background. No. But that doesn't mean I'm very good at it. But I do know I can do fans. So, that's, yeah. Anyways, let's get going. And I'm pretty much out of light. I cannot get the screws in the right places. We just got the blades, and then we got the fan and the blades. Woofda. So, I'm gonna leave my mess in here. I made a mess. Real quick, comment. This comment's actually from an older video. Katie Hayes, thanks again. You're always commenting. We appreciate you. So yes, if you watch older videos, make sure you comment on them because we do see them. Even though this is an old vlog, it's one of the absolute best made. You know what one that was, right? That's when our Florida friends came up to Minnesota and hung out with us for 4th of July. That was a fantastic time. Hanging out with friends. That was my phone. Always a good time. Alright, now. This video shall end. See you in the next one.